All right, we got a delivery today for the kitchen cabinet for after units. How are you?
Thank you. Good.
All right. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. You can see this is the wood. Now you can see the thickness in this, guys. You can see the nice finish in them. So this will last a long time, assuming that you don't have the abusive tenants to this. All right, take it easy. Nice and slow, thank you. How many cabinets in total? Just the cabinets in general.
Huh?
Just the cabinets in general.
How many?
Yeah, how many cabinets? Yeah, total cabinets, yeah. So we said 14 on this side, right? Come on, come this way.
This panel, no cabinet.
No, you count it.
Cabinets is 14, right? Okay, let's count.
Count it, yeah.
So how many cabinets do we have here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, let's count that outside. Right?
14, yeah?
14? Also, I don't know how to count.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 14. Yeah, okay, 14. Thank you. Okay, so Yes.
Panel is 2.
Ja.
Two panel, 2 this one.
Yeah.
One panel is other side.
This outside corner, long filler.
The filler is 2.
Okay.
And 2 panel.
Ja.
Okay.
So, okay, so we're good.
Prime name is something. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright,
Alright,
thank you.
so this is the check for the other half.
Okay.
Okay.
For the paper, this.
Okay.
This complete of the everything. Coating, filler,
Okay.
and cabinet.
All right.
Give me this.
Okay, sign this.
Now,
Okay.
okay, kurwa, this is okay for the communication.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. This is island.
Island.
Okay. Now,
Fridge.
Fridge.
Okay.
Fridge is here and here.
Fridge is here.
Okay. Corner,
Okay.
36.
36. Okay.
Same is here.
36
Well,
to
that-
36 to the light, right?
I don't know, I check. Oh, give me the. This, everything is okay. Everybody is okay for the corner.
Yeah.
See, not the space.
Okay.
40, 40.
Okay, so it's good. It's good.
Aha, this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
36 is here too. Corner and 36 is here.
All right. Good.
Okay?
Okay.
This is okay for here. Start for here.
All the way.
All right.
And then that's
For the
down
south.
so
So. This kitchen
island.
is yes.
So when we put island, it's gonna go this way or this way. Which way you gonna do?
I don't know. Maybe you make it. Aha, stop. This way maybe.
Yeah, this way. I'm not sure this way. I like this way.
You like
so
it?
yeah. So this way will be
Yeah.
breakfast.
Yeah.
This will breakfast.
Let's take this one.
Yeah, that way, and then cabinets on this side.
Cabinets for here.
Yeah, cabinet on this side.
Yes, sir.
So that's good. You bring stuff for the
Yes.
cabinet. You take stuff. You go
Chair is better.
over there chair.
Oh yes, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
I think.
So cabinets here, and then chair over there.
Mhm.
So you wash, you look out the window when you wash. So that way we can table make big.
It's probably this one.
Okay, wait.
Wait, probably is this one. Does this connect for here?
Yeah. Okay, so this way, straight.
Yes.
Okay.
I cut it this one and this one. The pipe.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Cutting this one
Yeah.
and this one. Install me the cabinets.
Okay.
Okay?
So make measurement now. 30. So 15, 15 gonna be on that side.
Cutting with a 24. Install me the cabinets.
Okay.
Same base.
Same base. Okay. So same base.
Yeah. 100% is okay for here.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
See?
This is good.
Anna is okay. Maybe change the problem, yes?
Yeah.
For me, it's this one. This is document for you.
Okay. So this is good.
Yeah. Ready. The kitchen is ready.
So we set on this setup right here. The stove is gonna be there. The sink is gonna be there. And the fridge is gonna be right here. And we have a island. We have those cabinets over there, top and bottom. Cabinets, top and bottom. Good. This is 2 east set. So over here. Yeah, so stove here. Yeah, stove
Sorry,
30.
it's better. For here.
Okay.
See?
Yes. 30.
Plus.
Okay, now cabinet over here. 30 cabinets. Or 36.
Kurwa, 24 by 12. 24 by 15. How much is it? 31.
31.
No, 41. 41. Kurwa.
No, wait.
No good.
So we make 36 is good.
Huh?
36 cabinets. Good. 36 right here. Still later. 36 or no? This.
No. For here is the cabinet. You understand? This is switch.
Yeah.
Move it. Move it for here.
Okay.
See? The
So-
cabinets for here.
So 36 to here. 36 from there to here. And then 36.